استاد کیا کرنا پہ اچھا
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until we finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some kids are sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear, and the thoughts build up until I can't hear. Yeah, my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear, and the thoughts build up until I can't hear. Yeah, my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling it, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. Unless we really need anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling it, I can't seem to focus good enough.
ویڈیو نہیں ہے یار چیک کر رہا کے
کیا کر رہا ہے You finally feel like giving up, oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticking stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplugged, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all work it. I'm still searching, I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a great enemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis, so I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
سوری نہیں ٹینشن لگی نہ تمہیں غلط ویڈیو نہیں استاد اگر تھوڑی کوئی ٹینشن ہے تو بتا سکتے ہو نہیں کٹی گئی میں کو ضرورت ہے کہ تو کو ٹینشن کیوں کرنی میں اپنا استاد بھی کرے تو زانا پر آن لے میرا استاد تا کھڑا ہے اور کوئی نہیں ضروری ہے میں تو استاد بھی چاہے باقی کوئی آوے باقی نہ آوے اس سے میرے نام ہے نہیں تیری کے رسم بنا کے
finally feel like giving up, oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplugged, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a great enemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares, I feel bus